When it comes to securing your business with a remote management solution, you need to ask, is GoTo Resolve secure enough for your company's sensitive data? In this video, we'll dive into its security features, potential risks, and whether it's truly safe to use for business operations. Stick around till the end because we'll also talk about some better alternatives that might be a better fit for your security needs. GoTo Resolve promises remote IT support and management, but security is a major concern for any business using remote access software. The first thing we need to discuss is end-to-end encryption. GoTo Resolve uses encryption to secure your data during remote sessions. However, encryption alone isn't enough. You need to ensure that it covers all aspects of the software, including stored data and user credentials. And here's where things can get a bit tricky. While GoTo Resolve does use encryption, its overall security infrastructure isn't as robust as some of its competitors. If you're handling sensitive client information, this might raise a red flag. Next thing we need to consider is access control. GoTo Resolve offers role-based access, allowing you to limit what your users can do. While this is a solid feature, it's not always perfect. The software has had issues with over-permissioning, meaning some users might have more access than necessary. If you're relying on this software for critical systems, you need to keep a close eye on how access permissions are set up to prevent unauthorized actions. The third thing to mention is multi-factor authentication, MFA. GoTo Resolve does offer MFA, which is essential for protecting your business accounts from unauthorized access. However, unlike some competitors that offer more comprehensive MFA options, GoTo Resolve's implementation can be a bit basic. If you're running a high-risk business, you might want a solution that provides more flexibility with MFA methods. Now, let's talk about incident response. In the event of a security breach, GoTo Resolve's response time and recovery process can be slow. For businesses that rely on real-time operations, a delayed response to security threats can be costly. While GoTo Resolve offers support, it's worth noting that some users report long wait times for help when something goes wrong. The fifth thing is security updates. GoTo Resolve does roll out regular security patches, but the timing and transparency of these updates leave room for improvement. It's essential to know when an update is being applied and what vulnerabilities it addresses. With GoTo Resolve, you might not always get this level of clarity. So, is GoTo Resolve security enough for your business? While it does provide a solid foundation for remote management, its security features aren't as robust or advanced as those offered by competitors. If your business deals with high-stakes data or requires tighter control over remote access, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if you're looking for a more secure, feature-rich solution for your business, I have some great alternatives to recommend. These platforms not only offer a more advanced security framework, but also come with exclusive free trials for our viewers, giving you the best value for your investment. Click the link in the description to access GoTo Resolve's exclusive extended trial, but also explore these alternatives that might be a better fit for your security needs. By using our link, you'll get the best benefits and access to exclusive offers you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below to find your perfect solution.